Well, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be more of a DIY slash progress on the RSX. I'm actually going to be removing the climate control switch trim piece, the stereo trim piece, the trim piece over here with all your cruise control, mirror adjustments, and this driver's side vent right here. First off, I'm going to remove the steering wheel just to make it a little easier. Now, I did kind of cheat. On my spare RSX, I did already remove all the pieces, most of them. This one is just easier to remove than the other one is. Anyways, we'll get started. Now, this piece is definitely the hardest, so I'm going to do that one last. In fact, I tried my best, but I did end up snapping it. As you can see right there, snapping this trim piece here. But with that being said, I do know where they are now, and I know where to pull and pry. For this, actually, you won't be needing much. I just have a big flathead and a little flathead. Don't be worried about scratching your dash. It is very, very spongy. And if you do kind of crease it when you're prying into here, it will go back into its original shape. Now, with that being said, this one is definitely the easiest. You just take your little prier, see, so the little pry, and you just pull out. And it should just pop right on out. Maybe let's try from over here. There we go. Yeah, this one, nothing's really holding it in. It's just the dash. Behind, you are going to see a couple connectors. Just disconnect them. That's all there is to it. So, as you can see here, it's literally just these little divots in the dash holding these pressure points. Now, I'm going to be actually removing each one of these switches. They literally just pop out like that. Because I'm going to be sending it to a company over in Maine to get hydro dipped. But yeah, I'm going to set that off on the passenger floor so I know which ones I'm sending out. Now, this is going to be a pretty short video since everything I'm doing is relatively easy. Only thing is I'm going to make it into two parts once I get the pieces and the reinstallation and whatnot. I am going to save this piece for last. This is the one I'm really stressed out about. Now for this side, I'm using the small one, and let's just use this as reference. So there's a pressure point here, here, and here. And that's all that's holding it in. There. So, that being said, we'll disconnect this side first. Alright, I'm going to be putting the video down for a second. Just gonna have to get up close and personal. Okay guys, sorry about that. Had to get, real close and up there, but I was able to release it. Nothing is broken. Now, tricky thing about getting this loose after you have it open like this is there's this little pin on the bottom. Oh, almost got it. There we go. So yeah, don't be afraid to get in there, because I mean, be careful, but yeah, don't be afraid to pry. But as you can see, no snaps, everything's good. I'm gonna be removing spots that are holding it down. So, oh, cap. Here, 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 and here to be able to remove everything. And then I'm gonna figure out how to remove these switches as well, but I'll be probably digging into that later. Now the one we've all been waiting for, this one here. We know the pressure points are here and here. So that would mean pry from there, and then very gently pry from up here. I'm gonna start off, I wanna keep looking at this, but I'm gonna start off by probably going right in there. But, so I'm gonna attempt my best, or try my best. I'm gonna adjust the chest mount to get these out without snapping it, because this is the one that oh gosh, this one's a little more nerve-wracking. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. Oh. Okay. I heard something. Didn't sound so good. We'll see. Worst case, I can just buy a new one, I suppose. I don't really want to, but... Oh, I think I got it. I think... Nope. Did I? It's super loose. So, I was able to get it out. Now, trying to figure out what exactly happened here. So you can see I kind of gouged this part pretty bad. And it did end up snapping right here, just from where the screwdriver was getting in. Darn, I'm kind of bummed out about that, but, well, that was fun, said no one ever. Yeah, overall, not too bad. Could have been a lot worse. Wouldn't say it was a huge success, but definitely better than it could have turned out. That, though, I don't know if that's going to end up bothering me or not. Anyways, stay tuned for part 2. Like always, thanks for watching. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. More than happy to answer any in the comments, or if you send me a message on Facebook or YouTube. But like always, subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for the install of the carburetor.